So a good Monday, not so great coming tomorrow.
No, actually some rain comes back to the forecast, something we don't need, but this time it's going to be much lighter than the previous bout of rain that we had to deal with, and that's a good sign. But this week is going to be an interesting week weather-wise. So let's just jump right into it, because today was a very typical November day. We have temperatures still hanging out in the mid-50s in many cases. You can see Connellsville at 54, 51 up in Katanning, some 40s as you get to the other side of I-80, even Morgantown at 54 degrees. In Pittsburgh, we're cloudy, we're dark, thanks to the time change, and it's 53 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions. We have light winds out of the south, and our winds are going to be what we call light and variable tonight. They'll change direction at times, but they'll just generally be very light winds like what we have right now. That won't change too much, and our temperatures are going to hold pretty consistent through the night. So we have these cooler temperatures around. We do bounce up to the upper 40s for highs tomorrow, which is cooler than what we had today, and it's all because of a cold front. You can kind of see how this is going to work out here. 53 Pittsburgh, 56 Columbus, then you get to Detroit and Saginaw, Chicago, and those temperatures are notably cooler. So that colder air is going to try to work down here in between the warmer stuff and the cooler stuff. You typically find the showers, and that's what we see back in Ohio. And these will continue to inch towards us through the night. And after midnight, we're talking 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we start to see some very light rain moving in, and this will be around for the morning commute. All this rain's going to be light, but it's rain coming in during a commute, so that's the biggest impact it's going to have when it gets here. Even some showers trying to show up right now, maybe a random raindrop or two up in Mercer and Venango counties, but for the most part, this is holding off till later. And you can see how this works in Tuesday, tomorrow morning, 1 a.m. Some light rain up to the north that starts to sink down to the south as we get towards the morning commute. That sticks with us till about lunchtime, then it's out of here. We'll actually break up those clouds and see that sunshine trying to work in. Although once we get to the clearer skies, it'll already be dark, and that's going to allow those temperatures to really fall off through the night. We're talking frosty conditions early Wednesday. We'll try to bounce back with highs near 50 degrees for the afternoon. And then the next system comes in. It starts off with clouds early Thursday morning. We're talking 2, 3 a.m. Then some showers start to sneak in here, and that's going to get followed up by some snow in spots. So especially north of Pittsburgh, we're not really talking accumulations just yet out of this because we're going to have a sunny, mild day leading up to that. The ground's going to be too warm to really pick up anything big. So we're talking temperatures tonight falling down into the low to mid 40s by morning, showers turning on 3, 4 a.m. And really, I think tomorrow is going to be just not the prettiest start to the day. We'll get a little sunshine to finish it off. Temperatures upper 40s around Allegheny County, working south of Pittsburgh. These temperatures upper 40s, even low 50s by the time you get into Morgantown. Early showers with skies starting to clear out late. And that'll be the same case off to the east. I think clouds for a good chunk of the day. Those showers are going to take a little longer to clear here, so we're thinking more 2, 3 o'clock before you start to dry up, and those skies will clear out afterwards. Temperatures will be held back as a result. And temperatures generally in the mid to upper 40s north of Pittsburgh too. Those showers come in, they're out by lunchtime, and then we'll start to chip away at those clouds through the afternoon. Wednesday, 50 degrees, sunshine, good looking day, a little cooler than average, but not too bad. And then the whole forecast kind of falls apart after that. Thursday, rain first, then some snow tries to work in with the colder air, and you can see those temperatures take a big hit. Early Friday, temps down into the mid-20s on Saturday too. This is going to be some of the coldest air we've seen yet this season. So if you thought the weekend was cold, wait until we get into Friday and Saturday. This week. Next week, those temperatures stay on the colder side. We're talking at low 40s, upper 30s Sunday into Monday. And remember, with the rain coming in, the snow coming in later this week, and those cold temperatures, a great tool to have on your mobile device is the KDKA weather app. It's free. It has an interactive radar, hour-by-hour forecast, daily forecast, and a whole lot more. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.